In this video, we will show you how to connect Shopify with Alibaba. First, open the website of Shopify on your computer. Log into your Shopify admin account. In your Shopify admin, go to the Shopify App Store. Search for Alibaba here. Install the Alibaba app on your Shopify store. Open the Alibaba app within your Shopify admin. Follow the prompts to connect your Alibaba account to Shopify. You may need to log into your Alibaba account or create a new one if you don't have one already. Enter your email address, full name, and nationality. Once connected, configure the settings and integration options according to your preferences. This might include syncing product listings, managing orders, and other integration features offered by the Alibaba app. After setup, test the integration by performing various actions like importing products from Alibaba to Shopify or processing orders seamlessly between the platforms. Make any necessary adjustments or customizations based on your needs. By following these steps, you should be able to connect Shopify with Alibaba on your computer and start using the benefits of integrated e-commerce platforms. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.